Gas bike in London. Yeah, see? Smashing! Haha! Yeah! You see? How good? Hello, my name is Andrew. I'm gonna work on my scooter today. It's rainy season coming this autumn in the UK, so, and very often it's rain. It's heavy rain. Yesterday was very heavy rain. So the original shield is here, and this protects from the just practically from nothing. But I put the bigger shield from the rain and from the wind, but also it's not enough. So today I wanna fix much bigger screen, and not only screen, I'm gonna make a roof. So I'm gonna fix screen, and that I'm gonna create that screen to the roof. I'm gonna be 100%. I'm gonna be protected from the rain. So let's start to do the job. So as you see, here is the battery, and it's no space. So I need to find space to fix that motor, which gonna work for my screen wipers. So you see some empty space somewhere here, somewhere down there. The original screen is bolted to those points, and I'm gonna use those points to bolt my screen. So I found a right position for the windscreen wiper motor. Windscreen wiper should be here in that position, because this area is very important, and I see through this area, and the motor, because the length of the arm, windscreen arm, depends where is gonna be the motor. So I need to make space for the motor. Somehow I'm gonna fix in here. We're gonna weld another tube, one here, cut that one off, and slide that motor between those two tubes. That fixing point was attached to this one. First I made a frame, weld to a new frame, and then I cut this fixing point from that place. I'm gonna remove that fixing point, because this fixing point is on the way. Very nice. Yeah, very good. See? My windscreen gonna be clean from the water, from the dirt. So windshield wiper goes from that point to that point. Now I did template and I'm gonna bend that metal tube to the right shape. I'm fixing the glass now. Looking good? Yes, of course good. Smashing! All frame is made from 16mm mild steel tube. Yeah. I will show you what I have done so far. And here is how to connect and disconnect roof. I fixed a small panel on the front for the switches and maybe some phone case. Every 10 millimeters, little bit left on the top. As you see, it's quite unusual because we have two arms, yeah, and here is two axles, and here same. So this wiper is from a Diva scooter, and I got one axle here, but I have to make another axle because there's two holes. Yeah, you see, two arms. Okay, test drive. Gas bike in London. Yay! See? Smashing! Haha! Yay! You see? good. And you can drive without a helmet also. So it's going to be all-season bike. It's better than car, because with the car you can stuck in a traffic jam. And here it's a two-wheeler car. No rain, no wind. You feel like in a car. Last update. Control panel. Can you see? You press this. Yeah. Slower and quicker. And this is. Yeah. The water tank is here. This key disconnect all that panel, and so also here we have a charger, two charger sockets for the phone and navigation. Yeah. There you go. Project accomplished.